your legs weaker. Question for you. Have you ever noticed your legs feeling weaker or more tired than they used to? Drop a yes or no in the comments right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive in. 1. Sweet potatoes. The energy booster. Why should we eat sweet potatoes? Because your legs need fuel to stay strong, and sweet potatoes provide long-lasting energy without blood sugar crashes. Packed with complex carbs, fiber, and vitamin A, which helps repair muscle tissue and prevent leg weakness. How to eat. Roast them, mash them, or slice them into healthy fries. Dough. Oats, the muscle builder. Your muscles break down daily, and oats help rebuild them. High in plant-based protein, magnesium, and B vitamins, which help prevent muscle cramps and promote muscle recovery. How to eat them. Have oatmeal for breakfast or add oats to smoothies for an easy muscle-boosting meal. 3. Avocados, the joint protector. Strong legs aren't just about muscles. Your joints matter too. Avocados are rich in potassium, which prevents muscle cramps and stiffness, and healthy fats that reduce inflammation in your knees and ankles. How to eat them. Add them to toast, salads, or smoothies for a joint-friendly boost. 4. Berries, the muscle shield. Did you know that oxidative stress speeds up muscle loss? Berries are loaded with antioxidants that protect muscles from aging and keep your legs strong and flexible. How to eat berries. Throw them in yogurt, oatmeal, or eat them as a snack. 5. Salmon, the strength fuel. Want stronger, more flexible leg muscles? Salmon is packed with omega-3s and high-quality protein to fight inflammation and improve muscle recovery after walking, running, or exercise. Plus, it boosts circulation, ensuring your leg muscles get maximum oxygen and nutrients. How to eat salmon. Grill it, bake it, or add it to salads. 6. Eggs, the muscle powerhouse. Eggs are one of the best foods for muscle growth. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, plus vitamin D for bone strength and choline for nerve-muscle coordination, critical for balance and preventing falls. How to eat eggs. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet. Just make sure to eat the yolk. Now, you know the 6 best foods for stronger legs. But what about the ones you should avoid? There's one common food that's silently weakening your muscles, and most people eat it every day. It's processed white bread. Why? Because it causes blood sugar spikes and inflammation, which drains your muscles and makes your legs weaker over time. If you're still eating it, consider switching to whole grains like oats, quinoa, or whole wheat bread for stronger legs and better overall health. Here's what we learned today. Strong legs equals to a longer, healthier life. These 6 foods can help prevent muscle loss and keep your legs powerful. One simple diet change can make a massive difference. Question for you. Which of these foods do you already eat, and which one are you adding to your diet first? Let me know in the comments. I'll read every single one. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly health tips that keep your body strong and active.